Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase Ripple returns with Bitstamp step by step clearly. First, create an account on Bitstamp by visiting their official website. Click on the Get Started button and fill out the registration form with your email and password. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your new Bitstamp account with your credentials. Set up two-factor authentication for added security. Complete the identity verification process by providing the necessary documents. Once verified, link your bank account or credit card for deposits. Navigate to the deposit section within your account dashboard. Choose your preferred method for funding your account. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. After your funds are available, go to the Buy/Sell section. Select Ripple from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Decide how much Ripple you want to purchase. Review the transaction details for accuracy. Confirm your purchase to add Ripple to your portfolio. To increase your Ripple returns, consider holding rather than selling immediately. Monitor market trends and news related to Ripple. Utilize Bitstamp's advanced trading tools to implement strategic trades. Set stop-loss and take-profit orders to minimize risk and lock in profits. Consider dollar-cost averaging when buying more Ripple over time. Stay informed about regulatory developments that may impact Ripple. Join the Bitstamp community forums for insights and tips from experienced traders. Regularly review your investment strategy to ensure alignment with your financial goals. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your Ripple returns on Bitstamp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.